All right, I'm here at PepCom with Jeff Dickerson from Alarm.com, Sunflower Labs. Tell me a little bit about this Sunflower integration that's going on here.
So Sunflower Labs is the world's leading manufacturer of an autonomous security drone, and our partnership with Alarm.com has been incredibly useful. A drone by itself can fly around your property, can look at a few things, but when you add in intelligent camera analytics, perimeter sensors, gate controllers, access control, and use all of those things to launch the drone, now we're talking. So that siren you're hearing in the background is actually one of these cameras in the alert phase right now. We get that data, the location data of where it is on the property, and we can dispatch the drone to go straight there. So if I launch this right now to the deterrence kit, it's going to fly to the parking lot where that exact camera detected a person. Obviously I launched it, so it didn't. And then what we do with the drone is we look for that person in the live video, and if we see them, the drone can automatically follow them until they leave the property. And there you are.
Awesome. Okay, so it's flying a circuit around the parking lot there live.
Yep. That's exactly right.
So interesting. So you said that you're getting some commercial applications for this. What's the target application, do you think?
Yeah, so really this solution is fitting into the industrial and the commercial marketplace very well in the world today. So we protect wastewater facilities, electrical generation facilities, train maintenance yards, ship marinas, ports with containers, kind of all of that world, distribution hubs, things like that. We usually augment a human guard team. So they're limited in manpower, they're limited in how quickly they can get around the property. We do the boring work for them so that they can react when there's a real reason to be there.
Awesome, thank you so much.
Thank you.